Hey there, I'm back with another 1 minute gear review. This is the GoPro Hero 8. It has mounting built right into the bottom of the GoPro, so you don't have to remember those little cages. It shoots 4K 60 and can do 2.7K at 120 frames a second. There are several choices in focal length, and it's waterproof down to 10 meters. Time Warp 2.0 is a nice feature since you can tap to enter or exit real-time recording from your hyperlapse. Hypersmooth is truly amazing. It makes it so you really don't need a gimbal at all, and that means you get super smooth shots no matter what you're doing. I think with the GoPro Hero 8, there's a very clear line in between past GoPros and present GoPros, and I think this is a great entry-level GoPro if you aren't quite ready to spend the extra money on the Hero 9. That's it for today's 1 minute gear review. Please like, comment, and share this video. It helps me out a ton. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you out there.